Welcome back to World Explorer Mind WEM, where we uncover the stories shaping our world today. And every week we dive deep into the past, present, and future of our world. From hidden histories to global game changers, you're watching World Explorer Mind WEM. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to join our community. Your support means so much. A quick subscription helps me keep making content you'll love. I really appreciate you being here. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Today we are going to talk about the power of ginger. This little-known spice has been used for centuries to help improve our health and well-being. But what many people don't realize is just how powerful it can be. In this video, I am going to share with you the amazing benefits of ginger and how it can transform your life. So let's get started. First and foremost, ginger is a natural pain reliever. If you suffer from headaches, muscle pain, or joint pain, ginger can help. It contains a compound called gingerol, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce pain and inflammation in the body. You can drink a cup of ginger tea every day to help alleviate your pain. Secondly, ginger can help boost your digestion. If you experience bloating, constipation, or indigestion, ginger can help. It has been shown to improve gastric emptying, which is the process by which food leaves your stomach and enters your intestines. This can help reduce symptoms like bloating and indigestion. You can drink a cup of ginger tea after a meal to help aid your digestion. Third, ginger can help reduce nausea and vomiting. If you are prone to motion sickness or nausea, ginger can help. It has been shown to reduce the severity and duration of nausea and vomiting. You can drink a cup of ginger tea before a long car ride or flight to help prevent motion sickness. Fourth, ginger can help lower cholesterol levels. If you have high cholesterol, ginger can help. It has been shown to reduce total cholesterol and LDL, bad cholesterol levels. You can drink a cup of ginger tea daily to help improve your cholesterol levels. Fifth, ginger can help improve blood sugar control. If you have diabetes or prediabetes, ginger can help. It has been shown to reduce fasting blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. You can drink a cup of ginger tea daily to help improve your blood sugar control. Sixth, ginger can help strengthen the immune system. If you get sick often, ginger can help. It has been shown to improve immune function and reduce the risk of infection. You can drink a cup of ginger tea daily to help boost your immune system. Seventh, ginger can help fight cancer cells. It has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and promote apoptosis, which is the death of cells. This could potentially lead to the development of new cancer treatments. Eighth, ginger can help improve brain function. If you want to improve your memory or cognitive function, ginger can help. It has been shown to improve memory and learning in animal studies. Ninth, ginger can help reduce menstrual pain. If you experience cramps or pain during your menstrual cycle, ginger can help. It has been shown to reduce the amount of pain medication needed during menstruation. You can drink a cup of ginger tea during your period to help alleviate your symptoms. Finally, ginger can help improve skin health. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can reduce acne and other skin conditions. You can use ginger oil topically to treat acne or other skin conditions. As you can see, there are so many amazing benefits to ginger. This little-known spice is truly a powerhouse when it comes to improving our health and well-being. So be sure to add ginger to your diet. You can drink a cup of ginger tea every day or use ginger oil topically to treat various skin conditions. However, it is important to note that ginger is not a miracle cure and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. As always, consult with your healthcare provider before adding ginger or any other herbal supplements to your diet. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this information helpful. If you are looking for a natural way to improve your health and well-being, then look no further than ginger. This powerful spice can help you achieve your health goals and transform your life. So add ginger to your diet today and experience the amazing benefits for yourself. That's today's story. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for the next one more stories coming your way soon. Don't just watch history, be part of it. Subscribe and join the journey. Thanks for watching World Explorer Mind WEM.